Word, the entire movie of Dirty Dancing, complete with choreography.
Secret talents? Well, actually, ping pong. I mean, bless my dad, at the age of 8 he bought me my first bat, and been playing since then, internationally actually. And here we go, boys. Lovely. It's the greatest sport in the world, you know. We don't see it on telly here, admittedly. And it angers me that we don't appreciate it. It's a brilliant thing. It's very spiritual, mind, body and soul. Brilliant. You know, people over here know me for cooking, but halfway around the world they know me for ping pong, and that's it. I've actually rated #1 in the world, have been for quite a few years now, and just this year I took myself off of that because, you know, I wanted the new blood to come through because I'm a giving person. Love! Yeah. Ah! Keep practicing, boys. Great game.